Well, the Weather Channel strikes again. This was supposed to be 3-4 mile an hour wind this morning. It's not, obviously. Got top on the water here. Reeds are blowing, trees are blowing. Be good for fishing, I guess, but in my little boat, it's a real pain in the butt. All I have is this little hand-used troller here, and I have such a light boat, it just gets blown all over the place. One of these days, I'm going to get my micro anchor so as I'm not blown all over the place. But until that happens, I just got to fight the water a little bit in the wind. Wonderful. Love your Weather Channel. I don't know any other job that you can be wrong so much and get paid for it. Oh well. Time to have some fun. Well, I didn't know this when I came out today. Apparently there's some sort of big boat regatta going on. High performance boats. You can see them all start to line up here. I mean, there's got to be, almost a dozen altogether around here. They're just all over the place coming out. It's got to be a speed regatta, something like that. A couple of twin red ones there. Big ones in the back. Oh, let's see, a few more big ones here. You can see they're going to be out busting up that water out on the lake today, doing some fast runs. So should be fun. See what happens. See it. This is some of what I'm dealing with on the lake today. See the helicopter, the boat. They're out running this morning, a bunch of them. They're just doing their runs down the lake and getting some pictures and whatnot. Big boats. Another one of those go fast boats coming through with the helicopter filming it. He is hauling. Yeah. There's the helicopter. Didn't quite keep up with it. Here goes another one getting ready to take off out there. It's blue, so really blends into the water. I'm not sure you can see it, but the helicopter's right over it right now. He just turned off that orange boat and started on this one. So this guy really hadn't punched it out yet. Seems to be going pretty slow. But we'll see if he gets on it here in a bit. One more look at him with the helicopter and the fast boats. This guy really doesn't seem to be all that fast. He's loud, but he's not all that fast.